Exodus 14 shows us something critical. God fights differently than we do. He leads into impossible positions. He waits until fear surfaces. He calls for stillness. He moves through obedience. He delivers completely. The people did not swing swords. They did not outmaneuver chariots. They did not outpower Pharaoh. They walked on ground God made dry. Fighting on your knees means surrendering the illusion of control. It means trusting when the sea has not yet split. It means standing when the army is still visible. It means resisting the urge to return to slavery because freedom feels risky. Exodus 14 ends with awe. When the Israelites saw the mighty hand of the Lord, the people feared the Lord and put their trust in him and in Moses, his servant. Fear shifted from fear of Pharaoh to reverence for God. This is what happens when you fight on your knees. You stop fearing the visible threat and you begin trusting the invisible power. Sometimes the Lord leads you to the edge of the sea, not to trap you, but to reveal himself. Sometimes the army behind you looks stronger than your future ahead. But the Lord fights differently. He parts what you cannot. He holds back what would overwhelm you. He collapses what pursued you. And he asks you to stand, to be still, to trust. Fight on your knees before the sea opens, before the enemy falls, before the outcome is visible. Because the battle does not belong to the loudest or the strongest or the fastest. It belongs to the Lord. And when you learn to kneel before you move, you discover that stillness is not weakness. It is the posture that makes room for miracles.